right, guys, we got a 2025 GLE 63s AMG. That's a lot of letters. Anyways, this is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. It's very quiet, as you guys can see. We're gonna change that. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. One more. 2025 GL 63 AMG bi-turbo V8. Just a beast of a car. I'm gonna show you guys what we've done to it. Still got the converters up there and there. I'm glad Mercedes brought back the V8, which is a good thing. They went away from those little 4-cylinder turbos and all that. There's a valve right in the center of the H-pipe. Then 3-inch pipe continues. And what we did is did a muffler delete, but it had valves on it. So we left them on the sides, as you guys can see. So we don't have to reprogram it, and just ran pipe beside it, as you guys can see there. So the car thinks the valves are still there. Everything's all nice and dandy. But we did a muffler delete on it. Just gotta think outside the box, guys. That's all it takes. And he just bought it, and somebody hit it backed into him. So, but there's that other side with the tip. But there it is. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. It should sound really loud and mean. So stay tuned. Now you can actually hear it run. So idle now is 85, 81. There we go. Go ahead. Those turbos take a lot of the sound away, but it's not bad. What do you guys think? Again? Right at 95. It needs catless downpipe and a tune. Go ahead and back it out. 2025 GLE 63 AMG Sport S, all that good stuff. Love the stance on it, it's so wide. Change it to sport mode, you know how? Change it for him to sport mode. So this is Sport Plus or Race, go ahead. Yeah, there you go. Much better. Rev it. Just do that. Rev it like this. More. They won't let him. Yeah, there's a rev limiter on it. It's better than it was. Sport mode. All right. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. GLE 63 AMG 4MATIC. That's so quick. There's those gunshots. I love it. Perfect.